Yes, hello. Good evening. Welcome to Global Watch Media. Please like, share, and subscribe. Right? At Global Watch Media. I need the people them to start share up my video them, like up my video them, you see it? Yeah man. And make sure say reach out to the masses because we on a mission right now to change the Jamaica judicial system and the Jamaican government and policy and the way them think, right? The way them mistreat people. We need to get rid of these things in our society, and that's the only way Jamaica can strive as a top nation in the world. So we need all the citizens to come together, right, and participate and do them part. Please like and share the video, all right, and make sure say everybody see this video. Well, I'm here to talk about part 2 of my video that I did a day ago, talking about the corruption of the judicial system within Jamaica since the Privy Council make them decision and send back the case to Jamaica. So I'm here to start highlight all the corruption within the system of the judicial system within Jamaica. And the corruption extends from England all the way to Jamaica. And this is why Jamaica is so corrupted. Well, for a nation, right, in the Western Hemisphere, like Jamaica, for have running water, electricity, right, and them have energy where them are sell to other country, right? We had train system, and we are the country who invented steel, where you see people start manufacturing steel and all over the world, right? Jamaica is a country that is like 10th in the world when it comes to aluminum and bauxite. All right, you too, my G. See? And a whole, Jamaica as a country, right? For the majority, 5% of it, you have people that's middle class, where they call well off, right? And then you have the upper class people, them, which would be like 10, 15%. So we'd have said like 20% of Jamaican population is okay, but the next 80% is not. And this is why you have so much gunman breed up in the island, right? And so much things going on in the island nowadays. Because all of the politicians, them is the cause of all of that. Why you can have a Jim Brown, you can have a Dodos, right? Why you can have a Claudia Massop, why you can have a Curly Locks, why you even have Copper before. Because it's the politician them who back these people for years and put organized crime, right? You know, these people thoughts and thinking why them was running around creating havoc. This was in the name of the government. This is why all of these people been running around for all of these years free and I commit crime and I kill in the name of the government, in the name of JLP and PNP. It was nothing else going on in Jamaica but that, right? Them trick so much youth and get rid of the youth them, and it gets so bad. The youth them where them put for do all of them something here. Some of the youth them get resilient and turn upon them too, because them try kill the youth them. And the youth them have to stand up for themselves. 9 times out of 10 them end up killing them. You know what I say? So that is the system we have in Jamaica. That is the system. Innocent garrison youth have to grow up in a. So it's damn if you do, damn if you don't. Because most of the time, the youth them is circumstances of them situation. You know me I say? So this is the thing the Jamaican government create within the country and society of Jamaica. And then they want to turn around and chastise the youth them, right? And blame the youth them. This is why you can have all a case like Vybz Kartel case, got a court, and them lock up the youth without substantial evidence, without the proper vindication of a forensic science evidence. You know what I say? Because Jamaica is corrupted to the fullest. And I hears them things that are going. Like I said, from the days of Nanny, Paul Bogle, Sam Sharp, the whole of them man there, Jamaican government has been corrupted. Yes, my G, we are going. And that is why you see, them can lock up a youth like Cartel or Jamaica and get away with it. Because the world can't do it because a them government run the country. It's going to take a privy council or a world organization for them Lego cartel, like the United Nations or something. The youth have to go over them head. Else him going to die in prison. Where you ever see an entertainer superstar anywhere in the world, like Cartel, go to prison for life. And the charges them with them chump up on the youth. It's the worst thing. And these are the system and the situation that youth of Waterhouse, Rima, Jungle, Tivoli, back to Painland, you know me I say Mackay Lane, all of them people are Seaview Garden, Riverton. This is what these youths have to live with. Southside, back to Telaville, Backbush, you know me I say, Dunkirk. This is what the youth them have to live with. This is the situation the youth them have to live with. You know me I say? And there's nobody to come to feed them aid. And there's nobody to hold the government accountable, right? When them do them wrongs, right? There's no agency within Jamaican police government that walk and hold Jamaican government and police responsible, right? For them for them infidelities what them go on with in the country. You see me? Nobody. But them want to chastise ghetto youth soon as them hear a little story, say something happened, right? Allegedly. Them don't even know if it's true. It's allegedly. Them just swoop down, them hold you, right? Without no proper evidence. Them get to put you away and lock you away for life. And your family them can't say nothing. Only the man them will live uptown in a Red Hills, Beverly Hills, right? Manning's Hill and places like that, family can afford to go down to the precinct and talk to the sergeant. And the sergeant will might go in at the back and talk to them family and tell them, oh, you're going to get a slap on the wrist or whatever. But if you're born and grow a Waterhouse, Seaview, back to Tivoli Garden, Cockburn Pen, you hear me I say? Painland Avenue, Dela Queen Lane, you see me? Mackay Lane, you see me? 2 Mile, you see me? Greenwich Farm, you see me? Anywhere, Jungle, Rima, Tivoli. If you're born at any one of them places there, just know, say, your days is numbered. And a time for them things they change because, listen, everybody have rights. And everybody a human being. If a man who walk and give himself trouble, him still have right. He have the right to go to court. And the court make a decision, yes. But not on false allegation. Not on chump up charges. You cannot just that Jamaica and take people life away like that. And I hear you not kill people and get away with it. Shoot man, ask question after. Shoot man, put gun on them and say them a gunman. You shoot people, kill people, and then them family have to turn around and pay for the bullet them use to kill the people them. Else you want to murder the people them family. And this is the law of Jamaica. That is the fucking law of Jamaica. And everybody want to sit down and act like say, yo, listen, Jamaica is a beautiful country, yes. Right? We're vibrant down there. Reggae music, good food, good culture, great people. But the bumbuckler government of Jamaica pussy them. The whole of them. And one good man in a blood clot office in Jamaica, and a Paul Burke. Paul Burke are the only good man there in the office in a blood clot Jamaica. Everybody else are crutches. A murder for hire. And them a pay policy kill off the youth them at Jamaica. Jamaican police hit squad. How you think them blood clot robbery that go on at Jamaica? With the Chinese people them and all of them things there. You don't think a regular people are pull them the off? Eh? A police. Police are the only one have the road them. And no spot for drive and go and no spot them now go blood clot correct. Because them friend them are communicate with them. You don't think no regular local gunman can go pull off them works their blood clot, Maypen and all of them places and get away with it. Eh? No, it not gonna happen. You need to open up on the eyes bridge in a time. Them things are going on a yard for years now. You see me? Years now. And them are hold on upon the youth because the youth is an entertainer and the man speak the truth and the man lick out from things we need to be taken care of because Leng go on like him take the youth for fool and him don't want to pay the youth for works thing but him a pay international artists to come to Jamaica. You see me? And that them are going with. Brother, that's why Jamaica can better. Jamaica is a country we achieve so much great things from back in the days, like I say. And we still now move forward as a nation because the corruption with inside of the Jamaican government is at an all-time high. Everybody just a grab and a scrape. Look, it take them to hire a Chinese government to come to Jamaica, to come build the highway. When you got so much great engineer down at Jamaica. But them don't have the tools to perform these things. Therefore, them take the people and money from IMF and pocket it and do not invest it in the country. So this is why them have to hire other country engineers for come in and come do those kind of work. What them do, them take away work from the Jamaican public. Right? People come out of Jamaica and work. Jamaican citizens and the people them can't get them paid. And the Prime Minister would not stick up for them or pick up for them. And these people fed up now. And all of the fuckery who are going to Jamaica. All the teachers them want to quit them job. I come abroad, come and teach. Because one of my god sister was a teacher at Jamaica and she quit for her job and the America teach now because she says it's not worth it at Jamaica. And these are the things that need to be fixed. The minimum wages need to be fixed in Jamaica. You see me? People still are work for $5,000 a week, $7,000 a week, Jamaican dollar. That is not even 50 US. And these are the things that people are work for. And them have to pay bills, them have to pay rent, them have to buy food, them have to take care of them family. So this is why you see so much crime are going on in Jamaica. This is why you see so much youth and do so much things at Jamaica. Because a man can't afford to buy a bread, a canned beef, or a sardine, because if him do him, I go broke. Him can't even buy the crackers. And a time for them something they stop. Jamaica have so much resources. Just where they them find oil at Jamaica. And how much billions of barrels of oil Jamaica are going to generate. For all of them blood cleating there. The people them supposed to get a share of that. Because if a Dubai or any one of them country there, the citizens them are Dubai or the Emirates, the people them share the wealth with the citizens of the country to make sure that everybody well off and nobody now have to depend on the government. So, like how Jamaica find a resource like oil, right? We have aluminum, right? I'm pretty sure say Jamaica must have asphalt too, right? Me don't know, but me assume. You see me? And Jamaica must have blood clot gold. Whole heap of gold Jamaica must have done there. You see me? And just because, like me said, the man them now have certain things. But Jamaica is a country rich in our resources. And all them government boy do are sell out the blood clot resources to foreigner, private sector. Right? Imagine, people of Jamaica can never go to the beach, which part them born and grow. Them have to pay private sector to enter the beach. A beach like Duns River and them place there. Jamaican citizens have to pay to go. Right? Reach all of them place there. Jamaican citizens have to pay for go. But them now go to blood clot remand center go fix the prison. Them now go GP go fix the prison. Right? And them now go blood clot waiting them to go fix the prison. Them have the youth them still asleep on cardboard. Right? Dirt floor. Concrete. Right? This is the situation the youth them have to live with at Jamaica. The youth them were incarcerated. This is the situation them have to live with. Man, they in a prison for much years and can't see a judge. And won't see a judge. Might die in prison. And with the government, them cool with that. Because them don't give a fuck, long as I don't feed them family. And that it a come down to in a Jamaica and them something they need to stop. Them something they need to stop. Jamaica won't deal with. Eh? How long you going to keep on sit down there and make the people them chastise you know? Bob Marley say, man, lively upon yourself, man. A time for you to free upon yourself, man. From mental slavery, man. You see me? How long you going to stand around and watch while them sit and kill all of the prophets? Eh? Them kill Bob, them kill Peter, them kill Free Eye. You see me? Because of them conspire and kill Bob, Peter, Free Eye. All of them man that them kill them. All of the entertainer them. The only man them never blood clot kill a yard away name the Jacob Miller. But for all I know, I good at them set it up for the crash. Them kill off all of the great youth them a yard. All of the great youth them. So you see, all of the man them where you see still living is because they must see a play waiting there with them. They must see a play waiting there with them. Why that now? They must see a play ball with them while them still around. You see me? That is why.
What's up?
Yes, my G, we are there. That is why most of the youth them probably still around. You see me? But otherwise from that, it's a no-no, brother. It's a no-no. It's a no-no. Them kill off the whole of our legend them. All of the legend them, the man them kill off. The government kill off all of the legend them at Jamaica. See? And the world sit back and watch all of them things there and do nothing about it. Nobody go to jail. Nobody go to prison. Right? Nobody get reprimanded. You know me I say? Nobody get a slap on the wrist. Nothing. It just go unnoticed. The world don't care. Right? How can a big public figure like them man they dead will stand for something in the world and it just go just like that? The Jamaican government not even fight to find out what happened to Bob Marley. Right? Them try kill him before the man run and the man come back to Jamaica And the man come back to Jamaica, him come back to him dead. You see me? So, Jimmy Clifford the only one who have sense, because Jimmy Cliff running from Jamaica because he knows so them they go kill him too. That's why Jimmy running from Jamaica and blood clog Africa go live for a while. Before him start come back a yard. You see me? Because, brother, the government corrupted. All of them corrupted down there. All them want to do a kill off youth. Murder youth. In the name of PMP and GLP. That's all Jamaican blood clot government stand for. Murder. And if you say you not do it, you're a dead blood clot, man. Why you think you have all of them gunmen in the yard that run so rampant and I murder people and I do all of them things there? The government. Them in that side with it from day one. Why it get out of hand? Because when them shooter go to jail, they make him go sit down for all of 6 months and then come back out the road same way. And him go back to business again. Because guess what? Labour right are dead and PMP are dead. And that is the stigma of Jamaica. And that's what been going on for the last 30, 40 years. Right? And them lock up who them want lock up. When them want. Do whatever them want do. When them want. Because them is the law. And them are capable of doing it. And get away with it. Without no consequences. Because there's nobody there to represent for the inner city, garrison youth them. So therefore, we are all deemed doomed. Not on my watch. Not on my watch. Uno government boy, uno have to change on policy. Right? We need some new youth. Some younger youth. We know about economics, right? Foreign policies, right? Global relation, right? Global trading, right? Healthcare, right? Free schooling, right? We need the road them to be fixed, right? We need all institutions to be rebuilt. We need everything to be redone in Jamaica. Hello. We need the whole of everything to be redone. Right? We need minimum wage, especially minimum wage, to be raised in Jamaica. There's no way people still work for 50 US a week. Minimum wage need to be raised to 400 US a week at Jamaica because them can do it. Jamaica have the money because IMF give them the money to do that. But the government rather pocket the money for themselves and spend it on them and them family. See? And that go on at Jamaica. This is the corruption that go on in the country, why the country can't better. See, this is why the country cannot better. And this is why Jamaica will never be better. You see me? You know how much brilliant mind we have done at Jamaica? Eh? You know how much brilliant mind we have at Jamaica? Youth with how much subject within the inner city, who sit down, who can't get a job, who went to high school, pay them money for go to high school. Right? Some of them even got a college, got too much subject, and still can't get a job because of them era code, how part them live. Because if you live certain place, and not everybody want to hire you. And that is the system that Jamaica. Because them think everybody a gunman. See? If you come from Waterhouse, Tivoli, Jungle, Rima, back to or any one of them places, the Callaloo bed, them consider you might be a gunman, so them don't want to hire you because chances are you're going to carry people if you rap them. And that is a stigma what go on at Jamaica. So, if you don't hire the youth them in the inner city, who not going to hire the people that live uptown? Because the people that live uptown now come downtown to come work. Them not going to work nowhere in Jamaica. Unless them family own supermarket or something like that. And the only way you got to get an uptown man to come work. Brother, The youth them in the inner city have got you with at Jamaica for 30, 40 years now. Almost 60 years now. From the days of Nanny and Paul Bogle and Sam Sharp and the whole of them man there. Buster Manti. You see me? The ghetto in Jamaica, the infrastructure is not right. It needs to be redone. Something needs to be done. We need justice. We need a government reform down in Jamaica. So our next situation like Cartel one won't happen ever again. Like we living in a modern time, how come we not have forensic down in Jamaica? We have to send for forensic from a different country. Jamaica? Are you kidding me? Time for them something to stop, man. We need to spend the money upon the country and do what we need to do. Because everything needs to stop here. Crime needs to stop. Badness needs to stop. Corruption needs to stop. All of them things they need to stop. I make the new generation flourish. I make them see what kind of nation Jamaica is. Make the world see the nation Jamaica is. How brilliant we is. How gifted we is. And what we have to offer to the world, brother. We still don't have an inventor from Jamaica yet. We don't have a comedian from Jamaica yet. We don't have a breakthrough superstar movie actor from Jamaica yet. Why you think all of them something happen? Why you think? We are the only nation. Brother, them have Asian superstar actor, all kind of thing, brother. We are the only nation you don't see them thing there with, brother. Why you think is that? Because we do not stick together. It's a every man for themselves thing with Jamaican. And a time for all of them fuck with us now. We are the greatest nation. Greatest nation. You better believe that. But me nothing with the government blood clot, boy. I love my people them. I love the whole nation of Jamaica, but I don't love the government of bomb clot. I don't corrupt it. And I want to make the youth them a suffer and a stifle a blood clot yard and can't go nowhere. When we have so much blood clot youth of Jamaica, we're brilliant and have something to offer to the world. You know what I say? Where Jamaica itself can benefit, the economy of Jamaica can benefit from it. You think the government is investing in them program there? Eh? When them could have a much factory in Jamaica right now where export to other country. Right? And I make billions of dollars I carry into the economy and so much job could have done Jamaica right now. They must sell out the whole of the blood clot country to private sector for full up them pocket. What are left for the Jamaican people them? As soon as you rise up at Jamaica and make a money, them same one start blood clot tax you. Right? Them see in a new car, them want to tell you say, how you get your car from? Them want to take you out of it. Them tow your car, them do all kind of fuckery. And all of them something that come from the bigger heads them. And them tell the blood clot police, them say, yo, when you see a foreigner boy in a car and waiting him down, pull them over, take with them car, and have to pay a fee. That is the system with them have a Jamaica, the bad mind, corrupted blood clot system with them have a run a Jamaica for the last 40 to 60 bomb clot years. And I get away with it. They pussy them. That me I tell you. A time for them fuck with the stuff at bomb clot Jamaica. I want everybody please like and share my video. No disrespect. I know me I come across very angry and insubordinate. You know what I say? But me is a very intelligent youth. Trust me. I not even have to stress that. Me just fed up. And me not stop until we get rid of all of the corruption within the Jamaican government and the judicial system. It need to go a modern days now, right? How come we now blood clot technology at Jamaica, right? And all of them things there. Criminals are supposed to run rampant in them time at Jamaica. Unless you don't want them to. Uno boy, Andrew Oldness, a time for you change up. If you don't change up the constituency, a pressure going to reach you down there. Pressure going to reach you down there. I don't have a problem with you, Andrew, because you just come. I know you will do this. But you're part of the blood clot solution to my boss, because at 8 years now, you go down there. I mean, I see no changes from you either. The mega project them, when we see you go on to Jamaica, I salute you for that. Because those was well overdue in Jamaica. Well overdue. So, for that, I commend you for those. But for all the corruption where you're still allowed to be going on, brother, me can't blood clot side with you for them something there, brother. You see me? Straight up. I'm a one side with you for them thing there. And like I said, I'm a youth, I'm in politics. I'm growing in a PMP era. My grandmother was a labor right. My grandfather and my grandmother are PMP on one side, and my grandmother a blood clot labor right on one side. And my grandmother was a labor right. She married PMP man. My grandfather was a PMP man. You see me? We used to hang out at Matches Lane named Jack. Yeah, man. That's why I'm in a politics, brother. I truths and right, me I deal with, brother. You see me? Yeah. And if me I go bust it, it won't be for politics. It's for truth and rights. And therefore, I'm telling you, because I know I'm going to watch them video and say, oh, the boy you're waiting, the brother, me and a gunman. By no way, shape, or form, me no walk and shoot people. You see me? But if a boy want blood clot going like him want violate or waiting, then we get him blood clot face, lick off, straight like that. But listen, me no walk and shoot black people. My own black brother and sister, them, me no deal with them thing there. But if a boy violate and overstep in blood clot boundary, he will get dealt with, straight like that. You see me? But me no depend on certain things, brother. That's why me can buckler come on the internet and talk like this. I'm a dear boy for blood clot, waiting them to discredit me or waiting them because dog, we're not afraid of people, dog. We're not afraid of nobody. Nobody we're not afraid of boy. You could have killed 100 man. We're not afraid of you. Because truths and right we deal with. And God will say righteousness we are deal with. You see me? So, therefore, hello, how are you? All right? Therefore, no devil can come in my way. Come harm me. You hear that? And God we are ride with. So therefore, I'm not afraid for talk. And matter of fact, I'm not afraid for death. Because I grew up now, I know what is life and I know what is death. You see me? We get a couple youth already. So if you don't want me go meet my maker, so be it. But me not stop. Make me video them and upload them and pressure the Jamaican bumbuckler government system. Right? The laws want to make and the judicial system want to create a Jamaica. Want to use to take advantage of the Jamaican citizens and the youth from the inner city garrisons. All of them something that got stop. A barrage of video. I want to free the youth. That's why I make them video here. Free the blood clot youth. I mean now stop make them. I mean now stop highlight the corruption we now go on with from blood clot back in the 70s. Right? This is part 2. Part 3 coming tomorrow. Yeah man. A whole heap of things me have for blood clot talk, man. Yeah man. Because I know people were there in the system who want them things to come out. Yeah. And them say youth are the right thing you do. You see me? Make them know because on a one-side story, it's a two-side story. And I say, yeah man, a real talk that because we don't know the thing going on. Garrison, we grew up in there, you know. You see me? And a whole heap of friends we have over last. Some of them make bad choices. And you know me I say, unfortunately, them bad choices what they make cause them demise. But that's beside the point. There's whole heap of government official, you see me, and police officials that do a lot of things that wasn't necessary and get away with it. Whole heap of crime them commit themselves within the judicial system and get away with it. You know what I say? Whole heap of unsolved crime that Jamaica, where police commit the crime. That's why it's unsolved. Where else in the world you ever hear? I must say Brazil and El Salvador are the only place in the world you ever hear say police go for man and a shooting, brother. And them three countries are the only place in the world me ever hear about that. Everywhere else, an investigator go for a man and them hold him, them bring him in for questioning and set him bail or make him make bail or him go to trial and go to jail. Not Jamaica. The police them are judge, jury, and executioner. The whole of you to the gun and the man now fire the gun off of them just come on the corner and them search a man and hold a man with a gun. Them execute the youth right on spot. Without the man, I try fire at them or aiming a gun at them or anything like that. These are the policy them have at Jamaica. And this shit been going on for years. And them a get away with that shit. Them a get away with it. Because them have crime all over the world. Them have police all over the world too. But you know the difference between other police? Even though them go on with fuckery, they might go on with it. But trust me, in another country, it's going to be investigated. Precautions and regulation is going to be taken. You're not just going to fucking go unnoticed or unquestioned or it just go sweep underneath the rug and nobody cares about it no more. No, not in a first world country. But in a Jamaica, all of these things is possible. It's a dog world down there. And the government down there is the big dog. So therefore the little dogs, which is the people, get eaten all the time. All the time. Imagine you live in our system where you can't even sue the government. Because if you sue the government, yes, my G, right here. Imagine you live in our system, right? World, I want to think about this and ponder this for a minute. When you live in our system, right? Where if the police them violate your rights, them come and them beat you up and kick you up and box you up and that them go on with a Jamaica, gun butt you and do all kind of thing. And you should say, yo, you gotta sue them. Did you know, say, them same police boy there, the government are gonna make them, allow them to come kill you? And nothing come out of that. The government will allow these people to come and kill you and nothing come out of it. If you think allow me to check out the case with the taxi driver, the Rasta youth, where the man a drive from country and the police boy licking him car and mash up him car. And the man the brother I go on away because the man say, yo, he want him car fixed. You see me? He want him car fixed. And remember, say the policeman wrong, but because he's a police and he work for the Jamaican government, they want to fix the man car, so the man file a lawsuit. And the man file a lawsuit for them, you know them though? Them keep going at the man yard every day. Beat up the man. And the man decides, say, yo, I'm going to put up some camera because I'm scared for him life. Because him see where it going to come out to. And liquor did him know. So I kill them, I go kill him. Even though him put up the camera. Because them wasn't aware so the camera was put up. Because them go there so much time for beat up this man. The man get tired of it and put up a camera. Bear in mind, this man's wife is from Japan or China, me think, or Korea. One out of them three countries that she come from. But I know she's an Asian. She witnessed all of this, you know, with her kid in the house, you know. Every time them come to beat up the man, you know. The last time them come for beat up the man, them tell us if come out of the house, she never want to do it. Them tell her, say, yo, them are going to kill her in the house too. She have to end up leave the house, brother. Listen, I kill the man, you know, because the man filed a lawsuit for him vehicle, you know. When them crashing on the man vehicle, brand new vehicle, where the man buy them crashing on the man want to fix it, you know. The man want to pay a fee for fixing vehicle, and them don't want to pay the man, you know. I kill the man, you know. And get away with that, you know. And the Jamaican government allow that, you know. And the girl have to end up running go back to blood clot Japan, you know. Because they tell us anyone should be a witness to the blood clot crime or whatever, they're going to kill her, and she have to end up running go back to Japan with her picnic. That's a Jamaican national because the father is a Jamaican. And them kill her, them kill the woman baby father. You see me? Excuse me. Them kill the woman baby father. So the woman have to end up go back to Asia with her child. Can't speak about it. I'm pretty sure she speak about it over there, but it haven't been heard. Right? And the only reason why people know about this is because the man put the camera in his house. And when it happened, the video happened to get released. And still nothing come out of it. Nothing come out of it. Kingfish, God Jamaica. This is supposed to be an English government. That's supposed to go to Jamaica to regulate the Jamaican government. And them end up have to run away from Jamaica. Because the way the Jamaican government corrupted, the man them have to end up run away and go back to England and leave Jamaica to the Jamaican government and the police them down there. The only way it's gonna change at Jamaica unless human rights, the United Nations, right? And Explore TV, you need to go down there. CNN, you need to go down there. Investigate the government. Investigate the corruption. We as a nation need it. There's no way a man can survive for 5,000 Jamaican dollars a week for your pay. 5,000 Jamaican dollars might sound a lot, but it's nothing. It's only worth like 35 US, maybe 40 US. That is what people working for. And if the United Nations is cool with that, if England cool with that, if the US cool with that, if the world is cool with that, that is saying a lot. All of these sun country, we need some upliftment. Me talk about from Africa, come straight back to the Caribbean. Yes, my G. Because certain things need to stop, man. Yeah, man. The black future, time for it to start looking bright, man. Everybody else sit on the outside and are looking upon we. And we are the only one when now shine. With dollars ever. The black nation is dollars ever. Because the black leaders that we have keep selling us out for golds, diamonds, and rubies. They have no morals, no standard. For them, standard and moral is high quality life. Nothing else. Them think a man living and look hot. Him life don't mean nothing. That is how them think. But a man that living into a mansion with 10 bedrooms and have much money, these are the people them look up to in a society. And a time for them something to change. Jamaica, we need changes. Please, everyone, please like and share the video. All right? Please subscribe at Global Watch Media. We need a change a yard. You see me? We need a change a yard. You know what I say? We have probably about maybe you can count from on maybe about 10. Yes, my G. Maybe about 10 businessmen that Jamaica will value substantial amount of money. And out of the 10 of them who come from Jamaica, I don't even think none of them live a yard. And the richest one of the man who own Victoria Mutual, I think, are the Victoria Mutual Bank. You see me? I think him are the richest man and him live in Canada. You see me? So, all of them people who used to live a yard, them are tourists, private sector. All of the money we say invest their money a yard, are tourists and private sector them. We, the Jamaican public, is not getting the opportunity to invest in our country. And when we do invest in our country, we fly down and we build a house or we buy 2 cars and wait them, but the same government them take away your house, take away your car, seize your thing, and go on bag of fuckery. See where they there? Them thief Usain Bolt, how much millions of dollars them thief Usain Bolt. Right? And now the youth can't get back in money. And this is what them do to get a youth. Because in a them mind, Usain Bolt not supposed to have that money there. Them not care if the world love him. When do for get him money, and a fee him one, a feed them one. It's like you go work for them. This is so bad mind and dirty and corrupted the Jamaican government is. Extortion them a deal with down there. The government are extortionists down in Jamaica. And that them a deal with. Until them can't control you or them can't talk to you, they murder you. Because you're not fit for society. Because you're not willing to be one of them soldiers. God know why me blood clot migrate to us. I tell you. Me not done. I may definitely want to take that off on the blood clot police. Straight up. Now take that off from the police. You see me? Straight up, me I tell you now. And yeah, man, free my boss. Free my brethren, free my boss. You see it? You don't know. Yeah, man. Global Watch Media, please like, share, and subscribe. All right? We're out. Everybody have a blessed day. All right.